This is the Iron Trader. The pit's just closed, so we're going to take a good look here at crude oil and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted along with the rig count. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the crude. We have a nice daily chart right here. Now, yesterday we had a what they call a red dog, which comes right on down and it psychs everybody out that this is going to go way lower, and then it comes right on up. Okay, so what we have here today is we have a nice higher high headed towards that 8 SMA. So the levels, what we want to watch here now on the upside is we want to look at this candle right here. Okay, so we look at the bottom of this candle here. You're sitting at 72.25. Then we want to look here at this candle here. This is sitting at 73.80, and the key level here is going to be this 8 SMA though. This is sitting at 72.65 because you can see how everything went here up into the 200, came down, bear flag into the 8, bear flag into the 8, and then pow, all the way on down. Now, if it can close above this 8 SMA here, sitting right here at 72.65, then we want to do is we want to look to this candle right here, okay? So this is sitting at 73.80. Then what we do is we want to look here at this 50 SMA at 75.61. We want to look at the 100 at 76.61. We want to look at this 21 sitting at 70.29. And then we look up here at this 200 SMA sitting here at 81.60. Then your retest here is 83.53. Now, there's a lot of resistance up here, so don't get too excited. The key is going to be a close above this 8 SMA. Now, if it can't close above and say it goes right back into this area here and pulls down, then what you want to do is you want to watch the top of yesterday's candle, okay? That's sitting at 69.84. Then what we do is we look at this candle right here. Okay, you're sitting at 66.90. Then we look at this candle here. You're looking at 65.65, and then you have the a retest here sitting at 64.36, and then yesterday's bottoming tail sitting at 63.64. All right, so what we're going to do here now, we're going to look here like on your weekly chart. Now, your key support level here is going to be this 200 SMA sitting right here at 66.91. Okay, yeah, it went below, but way back up on top of it. That's a good level there. Now, if that's lost, obviously your retest here is a 63.64 level, which would be that big candle. Now, we also want to look here at this 50 SMA sitting at 66.01, and then you have your retest sitting at 62.43, and then if that's lost, then we can go all the way down to this 100 SMA sitting at 59.44. Now, what we need to do next week is we need to close above this key level right here. This is sitting at 72.70. That's your 200 SMA here on your monthly chart. That's very, very strong, going to be resistance here now. So you see how all these candles here came down, busted down, but ended up closing back up. Now, this is a monthly chart, so it's not going to do it obviously today. And then what we want to do on the weekly is you always want to look here at this 8 SMA here, and you want to look at this 21 SMA here for your resistant levels. But back here on the daily chart here, just watch this key 8 SMA. I know I keep stressing it like a broken record, but really this is a very, very key level that you need to get above, because just look at the charts, how it went below, and once you went on up, okay, it rode it all the way up. And then when it comes down, look at the difficulty it is trying to get through that. So your 8 SMA here is going to be a very key level. If you can close above there, say next week, or then you have a good shot at more of the upside levels here. All right, here we have the old natural gas. Now, we had basically 4 really red days. Sell, sell, sell. But the trade was cold, KOLD. I was just scalping it. And that was really good trade here on all the way on down. Now, today we have a green candle, even though we put in a low. It's sitting, the low today was 2.031. Now, we're trading against this level right here, 1.946. If that's lost, then she's going to go lower. Actually, could go all the way down to the retest there at sitting at 1.44. But on the upside, what we want to do is we want to look here at this key 8 SMA here again. Okay, this is sitting at 2.197. We want to look here at the 21 SMA. Okay, this 21 here is sitting at 2.208, and then we have your 8-day sitting here at 2.246, and then we want to look at this 50 SMA, 2.329, and then your retest is 2.529. Now, sideways action here, your channel, even though it's sold off, your channel still is very intact. 1.946 on the bottom, 2.529 there on the top. Now remember, natural gas is in the shoulder season. So basically there's no reason for it to go up, no reason to go down. You're waiting for a catalyst here for this to wrap up. So if this can close above all these key simple moving averages, then we have a good shot at the 2.529, and then we have a good shot here at this 21 at 2.96. You got the 3.024, and then you have your big boy here sitting at roughly 3.75 is what the target would be on the upside. Now, what you have to do is just be very patient with this. If you're going to try to do long, I'm just scalping it long, scalping it short. Small scalps, there's a lot better trades going on here in oil. But when this bottoming pattern here rips, it's going to rip like you can't believe, either upside, but I don't see it's going to go down to the downside, but it possibly could. So just watch this 1.946 and the 2.529. Now, Sunday night, as usual, after the futures open at 6 o'clock, I'll be reviewing crude oil and natural gas. So stop on by and we'll get you all prepared there for Monday. All right. Thanks for watching.